Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's video where I'm going to be walking you through our Spaces landing page. Now, each space is organized with its own individual row, and you are displayed important information about each space without first having to enter it. So under the name column, you'll be shown the name of your space, the privacy of your space, and how many participants currently have access to your space. So the privacy of your space is represented by a globe or lock icon. So the globe icon means that your space is public, meaning that anyone with access to your space's link can join you in the space. And the lock icon means that your space is private, meaning individuals need to be individually invited by name or email to join you in the space. So this participant icon shows you how many people have access to your space. So you can see that in this space, currently 4 people have access to it. If you would like to see the names of the participants who have access to your space, just hover over the participant icon, and if you want to load all the names, select More, and you can see the names of all the participants with access to your space. Under the host column, you can see the names of the hosts of your space, as well as how many hosts there are for the space. Under the status column, you can see if there's anyone currently in a space or whether someone is on a call. So over here, you can see that there are currently 2 people in this space. However, only 1 person is on the call. If you go over to the right-hand side of your space, you can copy the shareable link. You can directly join the space by clicking the blue join button. And if you are the creator of the space, when you hover over the space, 3 dots will appear. If you click on it, you have the option to rename your space and delete your space. As you can see, I am the host for this space, so when I hover over it, 3 dots appear. I can click the rename button and just rename my space. And I can also delete my space. The bell button found at the top right-hand side of your screen will display your Pencil notifications. And if you would like to create a new space, just click the blue Create Space button found at the top right-hand side. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the bottom left corner of your screen.